Hello students. Today we will have a poem written by Dina C. Delay, I Was Born Different. Let me first tell you some information regarding our poetess. Dina C. Delay was born with a rare disorder. She cannot move around freely, is blind in one eye, and also has a hearing disability. Delay attended a creative writing workshop at the age of 12 and has been writing ever since. Through this poem, she wants to tell the readers about the people with disabilities and how they are treated in our society by other people. Let's start with section 3. I was born different. What do you think people with disabilities expect from the society? Pity, sympathy, compassion, or understanding? Do you think our society gives them their due respect? Students, the way society views disabled people is always different. They feel uncomfortable around them, means they are not going to feel comfortable. It's quite challenging for disabled persons to experience a normal life in our society. Maybe you all are aware of this fact. They expect understanding. The disabled peoples, they expect understanding from other peoples rather than getting, means they don't like to get sympathy and showing any kind of sympathy to them. They just need that the other people should understand their conditions. Okay. Now let's read the poem. Some people question while others walk away. Some people stare and yet others sneer. I was born different. Some people talk and others turn heads. Some people point, others just laugh. I was born different. Here, by these two stanzas, the poetess is telling about the different reactions of peoples in the society, which she has experienced when they saw her. Sometimes some people ask questions to her about her situation. Some people walk away. Some stares at her on her, means how she looks. And even some make fun of her. Sometimes people talk when they see her. Some they turn heads to look at her. And also sometimes what happens? The people point at her and just laugh at her, as she is a person who is born with many disorder. So these are the many kind of reactions which a disabled person used to face in our society. Let's continue with the poem. My fingers don't straighten and my elbows are bent. My ankles are weak and my back is curved. I was born different. I have had therapy. Therapy means treatment since infancy, with splints on my wrist. Splints means it is a kind of a support given to the body. Okay. A cast on my foot. Again a support made up of plaster of Paris. And thick glasses covering my eyes. I was born different. Here in these paras, she, the poetess, is telling about her disorder. She mentions that she is born different as her fingers do not straighten. Her elbows are bent, her ankles are weak, and her back is curved. Here, I hope now you all are aware how she is different or in what manner she is different from others. She also says that for all this, she is getting treatment from infancy onwards. Infancy is the time when you are a baby, means when you take birth. Okay, from 0 to 1 year, that time period, that age is termed as infancy. So from that time she is getting treatment to overcome from all these of her disorders. Next, I never had many friends. I used to be shy, but not anymore. I can talk up a storm. I was born different. The poetess expresses that she is not having many friends, and so initially she was quite reserved in nature. Okay, means she used to be shy. She can't able to comfortably mix up with the peoples. But now she can speak a lot at any given time. It means as the time passes, she gathered the courage to overcome her disability, and now she is able to mix up with the peoples, with other peoples, and reply to them, talk to them on different topics. Next. Oh, how I love to read and write. I am a Special Olympics athlete. Figure skate, no more. Now have bowling and tracking. And basketball too. Just look at my medals. So what if I was born different? In this para, she is cheerful and thinks that disability is no barrier to achievement, as now she is a successful athlete by winning multiple medals in Paralympics. She takes part in bowling, track, and basketball. Lastly, students, I want to say that disability does not make the person different or less, and they need to be same respect and care irrespective of their disabilities as others need. It is a huge responsibility of the society's children to mix with disabled peoples. I hope the poem explanation is clear to you all, and here I am going to end up. Thank you.